Afternoon, 12:46 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm XRP Future Millionaire, and we have some breaking news to discuss. The U.S. dollar currency index is on a gigantic bull flag here from 105.78, roughly 105.81, all the way up to about 107, just about. So if this bull flag plays out, we're going to have a dump in the crypto markets, and we can already see the starting points likely, but we're going to see if this plays out. And if this bull flag plays out, I would say my estimated target for a breakout on the U.S. dollar currency index. Sorry, this was like 106.30 something, close enough. I would say this would have to retest right about here on this cup and handle is likely where that area would be, and you'd get some kind of reconsolidation there. Or if you can get a breakup right away, we're going to target it from a breakout up here because this is where the true breakout's going to end up being. And that would get us over a 108 roughly. We'll lower that 108.11 down to 107. Let's measure this out again just to make sure this is accurate. I'm going to get rid of this. That one keeps moving, but 106.20 is fine. So if this does play out, this bull flag, and then we mark it from a breakout point, we're looking at a move to about 107.82. So if we get a move to 107.82 in the U.S. dollar currency index, we all know what that means for crypto, and it would end up breaking down here. So we're looking to see if this bull flag plays out or if it plays down. If it plays down, it would just play right back to the bottom of the trend line. That's it. So that's what we're looking for on a breakup. You're looking at 107.82. If it does finish out this pattern like it is right now in the ascending triangle and it gets rejected, look at a bounce down to 106.20 and then further to about 105.96 again. So if that plays out, if the U.S. dollar currency index is again going to go parabolic here, like I'm anticipating to do, because I still think it's going to come up and have this capitulation style event at 120, and it's going to melt up as it's been. And this is going to make the U.S. dollar not look so bad and inflation not so bad in the U.S. on the eyes of foreign traders. So that's what I am anticipating. Which means when you look at XRP, and again, XRP is at 36.89. I bought 1,222 shares at 29.8, and this is going to be, I'm going to continue to talk about this. And the reason why, 1,000 shares will base it off of. 1,000 shares, had I bought it at $3, would have cost me $3,000. At $2, $2,000. At $1.66, $1,666. At $1.50, $1,500. At $1, $1,000. Even at 75 cents, it cost $7.50. At 50 cents, $500. Where I bought it, it cost me for 1,000 shares $298. So when people ask me, why did you decide to start there? Because sub 30 cents was my first purchase. And I'm begging it to go below 30 cents because I am going to buy it all the way down. And by the end of it, you guys are going to see a beautiful build. And I also have 1,222 shares of XLM at the exact same time. So you have to watch that, and I have 12,222 or 22,222, I can't remember, of DGB. I think 12,222, and then I'm just building that as it goes down as well. So that's what I did. And in the crypto market, though, especially if you're a fan of XRP, don't be afraid to buy it when it's on sale. Like even now, if you bought a little bit now, 1,000 shares for $370, you're not spending $1,500 at $1.50. You're not spending $3,000 at $3. You're spending $370 right now. Put it in perspective, keep it in perspective, and don't feel like you've missed out on something that hasn't even moved yet. The bottom line is, all you've cost yourself is an extra $90 right now. You're $80 per 1,000 shares. Big fucking deal. So on 10,000 shares, if you want to buy 10,000 shares, it's going to cost you an extra $800. I would personally wait for it to continue the breakdown, but I'm also not opposed to making money, guys. So I'm watching both sides. If the dollar pumps, this is breaking down past that ascending triangle bear flag, and we're going to have a targeted move of 22.66 or 19.91, depending on where we break down. If we break down in this area, it would be more towards 19.91. But if we break out at the end, or break down, I should say, it'd be 22.66. At the same time, let's say the U.S. dollar currency index ends up collapsing now, and that's just a fake out. We have a potential targeted move of 62 or 66 if we could break out of this bear flag, the extended bear flag at that, and break up. The likelihood is, though, is these are continuation patterns, and you're going to continue to the way you're going, which is we're in a bear market. Unless we get some kind of significant news, significant volume, or significant push, it's fucked. This bear flag will play out and will likely go down to the lower targets. There's a small chance we can break up, but we would have to break this ascending triangle, which we failed to do on many occasions, and we're going to continue to push through. If you don't like what I'm telling you, go watch somebody else, but you're going to get fleeced, heisted, and shisted, as Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing always says, so go check him out. But you're going to get fleeced in this crypto market because a bunch of the YouTubers are just here for views, they're here for money, and they don't really give a shit about the information they're giving you. They get their fancy sponsorships with their fancy titles, and you know what? You suffer. I give it to you straight. I give it to you straight to the point. And everybody always asks me, why? Well, what exchange should we use? And I'm going to tell you again, join Bitget. All my stuff's going to be on there when we're holding this. I trust Bitget. I can show you many reasons why, which I will right now. So here's some things you need to know about Bitget if you're considering joining it. Bitget has received regulatory licenses from the US, Canada, and Australia, making them a trusted exchange. So that's a good thing, and obviously they're a trading platform instead of a lending platform. So you can't withdraw off of Bitget, but what you can do is long hold your bags. And then like for me, I have Kraken that I just started, which flawless. To withdraw money, it's flawless. I can already do it. So I can send stuff over there. The only thing is I can't buy XRP on there, but I can send over like Tether. I can send over USDT, USDC. I can send over any number of things that I can send over. TRC20, which is, you can send over any Tron exchanges, which is what I did with USDT with the TRC20 Tron network. And it's very easy. So that's why I say I have Uphold, but I'm going to use that and also Kraken now as my withdrawals for the USA. So I don't plan on using them at any time soon. But on Bitget, what I'm going to be doing is building up all my positions. They have XRP, they have XLM, they don't have, well actually they have pretty much everything I want. So my stuff will just sit on there in the spot trading, and that's going to be where I long hold on. But don't worry about Bitget leaving. They've got too much stuff going for them. So Bitget is a crypto exchange based in Singapore. The platform offers a wide selection of crypto coins and tokens for trade through the spot or futures market with low trading fees. And that's a huge thing for me. It's so much cheaper than using Uphold. It's crazy. Bitget has received regulatory license from the US, Canada, and Australia, making them a trusted exchange. Bitget is available for mobile or desktop. So the platform offers free copy trading for its users with great incentives for the pro traders that allow others to follow their strategies. If you're looking at the exchange, and then they're the world's largest. So I wanted you guys to see the legit part, but Bitget's the world's largest copy trading exchange. So Bitget is the world's largest digital copy trading platform, has made contract trading seamless for its users with over 12,000 professional traders and 400,000 following traders. And followers have made a total income of 100 million and 120 million respectively. So it's the world's largest trading or copy trading platform. So join me on Bitget. In the video description below, there's a $12,000 trading competition as we speak. So it's definitely in your best interest to be joining, getting into some of the stuff that we're doing. This is not my trading competition. The likes, guys, I would really appreciate more likes. These videos getting 1,000, 1,500 views. This one's from 3 hours ago. It's got 40 likes, which I understand. I shared that from my Dogecoin and You channel, but all the same, look in the video description below. $5,000 here. You want me to make one that makes it look better? XRP exact targets. Put this out. It's got 62 likes, 1 view away from 1,000. Video description you can see on the bottom. Partnered links. Join up to Bitget. $5,000 sign up bonus if you transfer 1 Bitcoin. And then also the trading competition of $10,000. Hit that motherfucking like button. If you don't like the way I do it, you're really missing out.